Mount Etna has once again demonstrated its destructive power. Europe's most active volcano, located on the Italian island of Sicily, experienced a violent eruption, sparking widespread fear and forcing tourists and locals to evacuate. The initially calm atmosphere turned into chaos within minutes as the sky darkened and loud explosions shook the surrounding area. The eruption produced a powerful blast reportedly heard up to 30 million miles away. The rumbling, like a giant, endless thunderclap, shook the ground and sparked immense fear. Many tourists enjoying Sicily's natural beauty were seen running down the slopes, abandoning their belongings to escape the growing threat. Columns of volcanic ash rose high into the air, forming a thick, black cloud that obscured the sky and blocked out the sun. Hot ash billowed, forcing people to cover their faces as they sought shelter. Some eyewitnesses described the scene as a living hell, with the constant popping sounds and the pungent smell of sulfur emanating from their breath. According to a report from the Italian Volcanological Observatory, the eruption was triggered by a partial collapse on the northern flank of Mount Etna's southeastern crater. The collapse released a large amount of volcanic material and triggered a lava flow that rushed down the mountain slopes. The lava flow, which glowed brightly in the darkness of the night, created a spectacular and terrifying sight, demonstrating humanity's insignificance before the forces of nature. In recent months, Mount Etna has shown a significant increase in volcanic activity. Despite several small eruptions, this one has been described as one of the most intense and dangerous. Experts warn that the volcano remains unstable, and the potential for further eruptions remains high. Italian authorities immediately raised the alert level and closed several tourist areas around the volcano. Evacuation operations were carried out quickly to prevent loss of life. To date, there have been no official reports of casualties, but several people have reported experiencing respiratory problems due to inhaling volcanic ash. Nearby airports have also reportedly experienced operational disruptions due to the widespread volcanic ash in the atmosphere. Flights have been delayed and diverted for safety reasons, adding to the chaos in the region. Mount Etna once again reminds the world that natural beauty often comes with deadly danger. Behind the breathtaking scenery lies a force of nature that can explode at any time without warning. This eruption is a chilling reminder that humans can only prepare for, not control, the Earth's wrath. Researchers analyzed changes over time in the ratio of small earthquakes to larger ones beneath Mount Etna and found a strong correlation with volcanic activity over the past 20 years. A newly discovered method for mapping magma movement beneath Mount Etna could help scientists predict when the volcano might erupt. Mount Etna, located on the Italian island of Sicily, is Europe's largest active volcano. Humans have documented its activity for the past 2,700 years, but its eruptive history stretches back 500,000 years. Mount Etna's last eruption, in June 2025, sent a giant ash cloud 4 miles (6.5 kilometers) high and triggered an avalanche of hot lava chunks and other debris. The eruption was anticipated, allowing officials to issue warnings on the morning of the event, but predictions aren't always accurate. A new method could make it easier to predict Mount Etna's eruption. In a new study, researchers at Italy's National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology (INGV) analyzed a parameter called the B-value, which describes the ratio of low-magnitude earthquakes to high-magnitude earthquakes in a region of the Earth's crust. This ratio can change as magma rises through the crust toward the volcano's summit, the researchers report in a study published October 8 in the journal Science Advances.